Okay, we're just going for a walk now. So, yeah, it's quite a bit steep, but we'll try. If you can do slowly, I think it's not that bad. The one in Coromandel is much bad.
Much better.
Yeah. The view is amazing. You should go far. Look at this view, guys. I show you. That's we've been walking. Now have a look at this. That's steep. The fit. Hang on, Sinday. All right, calling for you, knee. Good, really steep. That's the view. But it's good, they call it. Look at the view. Kaya pa? The view is amazing, I know. Look at this house steep. Grabe ito. Okay, let's go and see what it's like here. This from the other side. Look. It's amazing, no, Colin?
I don't think I'm interested in going all the way along there.
This bay. Careful there, oh.
That boat, that's pretty, isn't it? Look, starboat.
Yeah. The view.
Very
And
flat.
that bit there. Look, parasail they're doing there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's actually lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
No wind.
It's actually very nice.
Beautifully clean and clear, isn't it?
Look at the view, guys. It's very pretty here in Russell.
Yeah.
Yeah. I take a picture there, Colin, on the trees. Why the trees? I guess we're gonna go for a walk now. You alright?
Yeah, just looking at this.
I thought you fall down there.
No. That's a fortunate one.
I can... Look now. See, look at the view here. Are you just gonna stay there?
I'm not going all up and down all these bumps and bumps.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll come back. Okay, stay there. If you wanna stay there. I won't be long. Oh yeah, this is very tricky. God, look at this view, guys. God, you see this? Oh. The view here is amazing. Look at those people. This is the walking here on top of the hill. If you're here on the Russell, come here and to the Tapeka Point walk. It's just a 1 hour's walk going there and back, so just a lot of hill in here. And then it's there. So look how gorgeous it is. So pretty. See? It's like you don't want to leave the place. See? I'm on top there. Wow, look at this for a view. So pretty. Probably the way I was walking is gonna be there. I think that was there on the top. Grabe, nakakahingal siya. Nakakahingal mag-walk. Pero, ganda ng view, oy. If you're here, it's really pretty. It's like really very pretty. Look at all those bay there. This is Old Russell. Some are Blunt Bay there, I guess. I should go along the way. Ito yung mga dadaanan mo dito. So, yun yun siya. Mag-walk ka dito. Akyat. And then, oh. Yes. Morning. Morning. So it's still here. I think the view is nice. God, look at this view. Wow, look at the view here. Look at that. Oh. Look at this view. Oh. Init ay. You can see. That's where the platform for fishing there. I think that's why you could have to walk there and the one up there. That platform. Yeah, I said you can fish there on that platform if you want. You can walk and then that's where you fish there. This is a bit deeper. Look at this view. Grabe ang view. Talagang very pretty siya. It's still quite ano ba? Up and down zigzaggy. It's a long way to walk, really, but been a long way to walk. Should have a good shoes here. But look at the view. Diba? It's really does it. And here, just keep walking here. Look at that view. Again. Same, very steep. Look. Very steep yung walking. Nagpaiwan na lang dun si Colin sa may trace. Kasi maraming up and down at saka stiffy. Kaya, dun lang siya. Tapos ako ngayon nag-walk. So, very pretty. Yan kasi, yun lang talaga. Tapos, tayo dito. Too much hilly. Grabe. Tapos paakyat ka dito. Yan o. Grabe pala yung mga walking dito. Kaya nga, I don't recommend to pag raining. Kaya slippery ang roading. Very dangerous na. Really? To the point. Grabe. My heart is beating fast. Ano pa siya? Grabe. Ang kabilang view. Kasi ito na siya. Dito. view. Tingnan po, yun na. Up to the top. Then here. Track end. So, really it is. Wow. Look. How very pretty. Then you're on the top of this. You should be there. Let me see. Hopefully, it's not. If they come back, because this is the track end, really. So, it's over here. This is the view here. The view is very pretty, guys, here. See? I don't think I will do my drone here, because a lot of houses, but it's pretty, the bay. You see that, guys? All around. It's very pretty. I don't need to use the drone here. So, very pretty.